Apparently, however you dress is your choice, but will you be safe from netizens? Let's find out how it went down for someone this week. Shots fired, or should I say Kabogo cooked? A picture of Kabogo that seemed somewhat unusual placed the good old and arguably young-hearted cabinet secretary right at the center of online banter.
Bati yako mbaya ukichoma picha utapewa hashtag hapo Twitter utatrend.
This may not have been his fair week, cause according to the memes, Kabogo surely had a lot to juggle.
Go on my office. Okay, open the file. Did you see the window? No, there's a window. Yeah. Okay, open the window. Okay. Upload the file to the cloud.
The truly overworking man seemed to have curated a partnership with Ministry of Gender to ensure that all motherboards have access to SHA.
Makofi.
Shortly after, without a warning, came the DDoS attack that prompted the CS to reach out to KDF to boost a fight back. What a hero!
I'm taking a break. You are not going to see me here for a long time.
As if the man is not overly burdened, netizens just had to task him with returning all the computers using SSD back to South Sudan.
Lakini sasa ninaona tunaenda kukua watu plalifaki.
But returning the computers was not the only task at hand, for his team may have further briefed him of migrating everything to the cloud, of which Bwana CS inquired if wako na budget ya ndege or if wanatumia matatu.
My lord, I wonder.
Well, I could go on and on about how benevolent he is for directing his officers to accept cookies and give them to the children, but I will give him a break and let him browse.
Bwana CS.
Yes.
Unatumia browser ya Chrome mama?
Mimi nipe Moratina. Chrome hapana. Chrome ni kali sana.
Nasema ya computer kubrowse.
Worry not netizens, seems he decided kuweka hiyo story kwa lungs.
Nilitrend mbaya. The beauty is I truly enjoy it.
Well, let's just wind up the week on a one term. Oops, I meant this banger. Well, that's it for us. Catch you next week on Savage Netizens for Easy Friday. I am Teresa Mutai.